Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are diving into the world of high fidelity audio as we unbox and review the CCZ MC04 earbuds, a pair of high-res audio certified in-ear monitors designed for both professional musicians and everyday listeners. Before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by CCZ in exchange for a review, and while I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my thoughts whatsoever. My review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always, so feel free to stick around as we explore everything that these earbuds have to offer. Right out of the box, the MC04 makes a strong first impression with its slick and modern design. The alloy cover has a precision plated finish, and the mesh hollow design not only adds an eye-catching aesthetic but also increases airflow, which contributes to a more dynamic sound performance. The combination of technology and retro styling gives these IEMS premium look, making them stand out among budget-friendly audio gear. Included in the box are 3 sets of silicone ear tips in different sizes, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for everyone, along with a high-quality silver-plated OFC cable that significantly reduces interference and enhances signal stability. One of the standout features of the MC04 is its high-res audio-certified dual-moving iron unit configuration. The setup allows the earphones to deliver lossless resolution with studio-grade clarity, ensuring that every detail in your music is presented with precision. Whether you are listening to pop vocals, classical instrumentals, or heavy bass-driven tracks, the MC04 maintains a well-balanced sound signature with deep lows, clear mids, and sparkling highs. The high-resolution driver design effectively reduces distortion, preserving the authenticity of the music. This level of accuracy makes the MC04 an excellent choice not just for casual listeners, but also for audiophiles and music producers who demand superior sound quality. It is more than just a high-quality listening device, it is a professional-grade in-ear monitor built for both stage and everyday use. These IEMS excel at separating vocals and instruments, making them ideal for musicians who need accurate monitoring during live performances. At the same time, gamers and travelers will appreciate the immersive sound stage, which enhances everything from competitive gaming experience to long-haul flights with cinematic quality audio. Whether you are using them for professional monitoring, casual listening, or gaming, these earphones adapt to different scenarios without compromising on audio performance. A crucial part of any wired earphone setup is the cable, and CCZ has taken special care to ensure that the MC04's cable meets high-performance standards. The silver-plated OFC cable significantly reduces interference and ensures stable signal transmission, providing a near-zero latency experience. This is especially beneficial for musicians, streamers, and gamers who require instant audio feedback without delay. Additionally, CCZ has taken user feedback into account by upgrading the cable entangler to reduce tangling, making it easier to store and use. And the MC04 also features a replaceable 2-pin TFC connector, allowing users to swap cables if needed, adding to the durability and longevity of the earphones. Comfort is key when it comes to in-ear monitors, especially for those who wear them for extended periods. The MC04 features an ergonomic in-ear design with patented air fins, providing a secure fit that minimizes discomfort, and the included 3 sets of silicone earplugs small, medium, and large ensures a customizable fit for different ear shapes, and the soft silicone material effectively blocks out noise with an external noise attenuation rating of over 25 dB. These IEMS create an immersive listening experience whether you are in a busy studio, on public transportation, or simply trying to focus without distractions. So all I have to say about the CCZ MC04 is that they offer an impressive combination of high-resolution sound, durable design, and professional-grade performance at an accessible price point. With high-res audio certification, a dual-moving iron driver setup, and a stage-ready design catered to both audiophiles and professionals looking for accurate sound reproduction. The added benefits of a high-quality silver-plated cable, ergonomic comfort, and excellent noise isolation make them a great option for anyone in need of reliable, high-performance in-ear monitors. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing product. I hope you guys find this review helpful and that it helped you decide whether the MC04 earphones is the right pair of IEMS for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to check them out for yourself. See you in the next video. Peace.